your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, you just walk and look at me here. Then what you are going to be doing now is to just bend down, look at it. Then after this now, you can now just stand up. Then you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Welcome to today's tutorial. Click on CapCut now, new project, import your video to workspace, alright? Click on your video and locate volume. Let's reduce the volume. Click on volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Then mark out an empty background, make a split. Look for overlay now. Look for overlay. Click on overlay. Click on the background now. Go and look for freeze, guys. Locate freeze, alright? Then you freeze this part. Click it and drag it small. Then you click on the video and drag it to the beginning of the video. That is the second layer. After that now, we are going to be clicking on add overlay. Then you import this Iron Man, alright? Then click on volume and reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Because of that black there, we are going to be clicking it to locate mask, alright? Let's mark out that black there. Click on mask now, click on rectangle. Then you resize the Iron Man so that we remove that black completely. We don't need that black. Resize the Iron Man. After resizing him now, you mark on this good and go back. Then now you target where you are kneeling down. Then you expound it. After which, you can now delete this main video. The only background there and the green screen is what you need here now. Then you click on the background, trim it, alright, so that it will be equal with the green screen. After doing that now, then you click on the green screen. Then click on the green screen, go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now, chroma key. Then you can drag it up, alright. Mark on that good now and go back. You want to still click it again and locate adjust because the green has not fully gone out. Locate adjust, click on adjust, HSL, click on HSL now. Mark on that green, reduce saturation to 100%. Then you mark on that good, you go back, alright. Look at how it is now. Then you can do some necessary adjustment here. After adjusting it now, you click on export, then you export this one. Click on export now, guys. Then you allow it to export, after which you click on done. Click on that done, then you click on new project, import this your video for the second time. Then at this point, let us locate where we want it to start from. From here now, you click on it and make a split, alright? Delete the first part. Then we go to where we want it to stop, where we want it to end. Immediately, you nail down, you click on it now. Click on it and make another split here. Make another split. Make another split from here. Delete the last part, alright? So at this point now, you click on plus. Import this your video you work on, that Iron Man that you just export now. Then as you import it now, look at how it's going to play. Then click on it and look for volume. I don't like that noise there. Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. So now look at the video here. Come to this demarcation where you make a cut, click it. Then these animations will come out. Click on miss, click on miss. You will see the one that is missed there. Click on that miss. Let us see what is going to happen now. Good. So click it, look at it, then you can click it to adjust it. Look at it. Your video is ready at this point, alright? The video is ready here. You play it to see how it is. After playing it, if there are adjustments, you can make your necessary adjustment. You can decide to expound the character, or you can better still leave it like that. But as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effects, light effects, and every other effect you want to add on this video. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add any other effect. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. You just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now come and export your video to your gallery. Okay, as far as we are concerned, this one is ready. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to click on export right here. then you allow it to export completely. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. And just in case you need that green screen Iron Man, just DM me, then I will send it to you. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.